This is the tutorial for the history options of your website. The history is the different edits and changes you've made on your website. You can access that by going to Options and History. Now, you can always use the Undo button at the top here, and this will undo any changes you've made initially, and you can press that multiple times to undo any previous changes. However, you can also go into the Options and History in order to edit and see all of the changes as well as the timestamp associated with them. So if you ever want to revert to a previous saved version, you can simply find what time it was and click the Apply button, and that'll change that site to that version.